Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to see how easy it is to design and send your own newsletter? Click the Create button at the top right of your dashboard to start a new project. In the pop-up window, select the option for a newsletter. Next, type Newsletter in the project name field. This helps identify your project easily later on. Once you've entered the name, review your selection and click Continue to proceed. Your new newsletter project will now be created and you'll be taken to the main editing workspace automatically. Here, you can save different types of newsletters for future use. Simply browse through the available designs and choose the one that fits your needs. Once you've found a template you like, select it to see a preview. If it looks good, you can go ahead and use this design for your next newsletter project. Next, update the title by clicking on it and typing your new text. For example, reading exercise. To change the font size, highlight the title. Then, use the Text Size drop-down menu to select the desired size. This allows you to customize the title's appearance and ensures it stands out. Make any additional adjustments as needed. You can upload your content or paste your message directly into this section for your news. Once your message is here, you're able to edit the text completely to fit your needs. To adjust the date, click on the Date field and enter your desired date, such as January 15th, 2026. Make sure the format matches your requirements. In addition to customizing the text and date, you also have the option to change the colors to better match your branding or preferences. Simply click the color bar and select your preferred color from the options provided. This lets you personalize both the appearance and timing of your news post before sharing it with your audience for maximum impact. Add templates or your own text by clicking the Add button. To edit existing text, select the text box and click Edit. In the Styles panel, explore different preset styles to quickly update the appearance of your text. Choose from various color schemes to automatically change your text colors. This helps you customize your design efficiently, giving your project a professional look with just a few clicks and style adjustments. When you finish your design, click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose the PDF format to save your file for best compatibility. Once the download finishes, locate the PDF on your computer. Next, open your Mailerlite dashboard and create a new newsletter campaign. In the email editor, look for the option to attach or upload files. Upload the PDF you just downloaded. Now your subscribers will be able to access your content directly from your Mailerlite newsletter campaign. You just learned how to design a Mailerlite newsletter using Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.